This is the real Tom Rose. When I read this problem to myself, I feel like, whoa, this is way too complicated. There's 5 different constraints and I can't keep them all straight in my head, and we're dealing with cards and spades and what's going on, and there's red and black and shapes. There's too much going on. So what I'm going to try to do is simply translate the prose into equations, and I'm going to trust that there will be some easy relationship that I'll lean on to get the answer. Okay, at the end of the day, we've been asked to find the total cards in deck. Now we're talking about hearts, diamonds, and spades. So I'm going to say that the total is equal to H plus D plus S. Okay, so that's what we've been asked to find. Now we've been given a bunch of stuff. We've been told the number of red cards, in fact, I'm not even going to, let's write it out. Red cards is 4 times greater than the number of black cards. Now I'm going to translate everything into hearts, diamonds, and spades, H, D, and S. So red cards are H plus D, and black cards are just spades. There's no clubs in this deck. If one card, now this is where it gets a little confusing. Let's write this in a different color. If one card is to be chosen at random from the deck, the probability that a heart will be chosen is 3 times greater than the probability that a diamond will be chosen. Now this is simply a really complicated way of saying there's 3 times as many hearts as there are diamonds. So this is, I'm going to rewrite this. I would do this in my head typically. 3 times as many hearts as diamonds. So when we write this back out in an equation, what we'll end up with is H equals 3D. Right? You take the diamonds, multiply them by 3, and you get the hearts. And lastly, we're actually given a bone here. 9 of the cards are hearts. Where else the H is 9? Well, we can plug that 9 in right here, and we end up with 9 equals 3 times D. So D equals 3. So we've got H is 9, and we've got D is 3. We could plug both of those in up here, and we end up with 3, oops, sorry, hearts are 9, so let's do 9 hearts plus the number of diamonds, which is 3, is equal to 4 times the number of spades. And we can solve this now, so we end up with, I'm going to move up to the top, 12 equals 4s. Divide both sides by 4, and we end up with 3 is equal to S. So now we've got hearts, diamonds, and spades, and if we add them all together, we get 9 plus 3 plus 3, which is 15, equals the total, which is answer choice B.